and Brown's here. I'm just keeping an eye on things. We hit the 30-minute 9 right there. We broke the 15-minute 9 on that. We have an open print overhead. We're at the 920 cross.
Order filled.
And I mean short, I'm just short. I want to be short down to 42.32, and then I want to see how it reacts. I'd like to get a dump now into 42.30. Now we have a black magic on the 60 from yesterday to deal with here. We're about to hit it. See how that acts. This is already a very nice trade.
Order filled.
I'm not pressing my luck since we're coming on the end of that 5-minute candle. I paid myself. We're just about to 42.50. So right here was the black magic, you know, and then right here was the next PCH. We went through the black magic and almost hit the low. So and we are right at the end of the 5-minute candle. You know, I just didn't take any chances. I paid myself. I got a nice bounce to the high of day on the option chain. I got a nice bounce to the high day, and I got 30 cents from the top tick on that sell. So I just went ahead and paid myself a little bit. Now I'm looking for 50 and then 28 ultimately. And I took that short off pretty quick there. Come on up here. Let me get a nice refill. I think that might be about as high as it's going to go. So I don't know. I went ahead and got a starter going there. I left room to add if it gets higher.
Order filled.
So I'm going to pay myself here. And looks like we might try to bounce, and then I'm going to pick up some more. Let this 5-minute candle close, and if we can get a bounce out of it, I'll look for another trade.
Order filled.
Things starting to look weak. I'm going to take a little bit more profit there. I don't think I'll do anything else. Put my profit stops in place.